Turning is one of the most fundamental processes in mechanical manufacturing, mainly achieving the shaping of metal materials through the relative motion of the workpiece's rotation and the tool's feed. The processing principle of turning, the workpiece rotates at high speed around the main shaft 200 to 6000 rpm, and the tool feeds along the X or Z axis 0.01 to 0.5 mm/rev, continuously removing material through the cutting edge, chips thickness 0.1 to 3 mm.